In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable picture-in-picture on Facebook Messenger app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings, then General. Then, first off, we need to search for picture-in-picture. And that's where we need to ensure that this toggle turned on. After that, on General, scroll down a bit until you find the Background App Refresh. Then tap at Background App Refresh again and make sure that it is turned on as well. To turn it on, select WLAN or WLAN and cellular data. Also in here, make sure that the toggle next to Messenger turned on as well. After that, we can head over to Messenger, and then all we have to do is just start a video call with some user. To do that, just get into a conversation and then tap at that button. All we have to do now is just hop out Facebook Messenger to turn it into picture-in-picture. Then we can use our device, we can open up any other app, and then if we would like to turn back to Facebook Messenger call, I'm going to show you again. While we are on a call, we can turn back to that call from picture-in-picture just by tapping right here at that picture. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.